I'm Bill Mange. I'm board certified in criminal law by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization. Let's talk about what you and I will discuss when you first come to see me about a recent DWI arrest. We'll talk about your health history generally. That'll include things like whether you have diabetes or multiple sclerosis, and what injuries you've had in the past. We'll talk about your eyes and what medications you take. We'll also talk about your health history specific to the day that you were arrested, whether you were suffering from any allergies. We'll also talk about the condition of your vehicle and where you were arrested. We'll talk about your driving. You'll tell me what reason the officer gave for why he pulled you over. We'll talk about whether there was a collision, and we'll talk about the conversation that you had more generally with the police officer. We'll talk about the weather conditions, the road conditions, and the condition of the pavement that you did your field sobriety tests on. And we'll talk about the field sobriety tests themselves. If the police got a specimen of your breath or your blood, we'll talk about how those are tested. We'll talk about how much you had to eat before you started drinking and what you ate while you were drinking. We'll also talk about how much you had to drink and what it was that you had to drink, whether it was beer or wine or mixed drinks or some hard liquor. We'll also talk about any criminal history that you might have. After I get through asking you about all of those things, then it's your turn. You can ask me any question you want about your case, and we'll just keep talking about your questions until you don't have any more questions. Thanks very much for watching.